Hello and good morning YouTube. Before I start off this video, I just want to say if you new to Kampot and if you're looking for a driver, I got a guy named Vit Tuk Tuk. You could contact him. I believe his contact information down below. The price, it depends on where you want to go. So I'm not sure where you want to go or what you want to do. You want to go riding a kayak or go visit the salt field or the cave or the pepper farm or the lake and kept or the waterfall. I mean, if you could do it all, that's good. But if you needed a driver, you contact Vit Tuk Tuk. His phone number is 097 I leave all his information down below, and everything that I record in this video, he's the one that take me around everywhere. Just show me how Comport is, and you don't have to book him for the site for the pepper farm or the salt. You could just book him just for like showing you around the sightseeing around Comport. He'll gladly do that. That's it. Anyway, without further ado, let's get on to this video. That's my tour guide.
Hello, welcome to Kampot. Kampot, very good, very nice.
Yeah, he can take me around, guys.
Yes.
All right, let's go.
Yeah.
That's why I like the here. He's good.
Yes.
And later on, we could go take me to a restaurant and eat crab. Yeah.
Tomorrow, today?
Today. Yeah. Go later on. Chứ đọc pay một teo với nhé. I'm at Kampot, guys. My Uber driver right here. Very, very good.
Very, very good. This is the brake and from in the front.
Oh, from the front?
From maybe on the purple.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This is my first time over here. I've never been over here before. Guys, if you like my channel so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Nhắc lên night market lên ai vậy? Like the night market. Like cái đào lên tam dục chẳng á.
Bad. This is the night market here.
Yeah.
You saw him in the bar, in the restaurant.
Yeah. Over here's all the bar and the restaurant over here.
This is in the Boko Mountain.
Boko Market?
Yes, the mountain.
Oh, okay.
So this is in the same in Singapore.
Oh yeah, that's what I want to see right there. Yeah.
Maybe so only the big the number.
Yeah. I see that on YouTube. That's where I want to come to.
Yeah. So now we stop, no?
Yeah, stop. I want to take a picture right
One
there.
moment.
For like maybe like couple minutes. You want to walk around. Ugh. Oh. Never thought I could come over here, guys. Yeah, the seahorse statue. Got a little bit of people, not that much. Hopefully to do something later on. Yeah, that's all they got right here.
Every day happen the people.
Oh, right here?
Yeah.
There's no riverside, no Phnom Penh, right?
But
Yeah, yeah. Nóពេលល្ងាចវាចេញមក right?
but
Oh, okay.
this is in the water.
Yeah.
The water from the music.
Oh, it move at night?
I yeah. អានេះឲ្យទឹករំតាមភ្លេង
Yeah.
បាទដល់ពេលមក7ទៅគេចាក់
Oh, okay.
and the music and the water.
Yeah, yeah, I know. Like the dancing water.
Yeah.
This one is exactly like the riverside in Phnom Penh. ចិត្តដូចគ្នាបែបបិទ
បាទហើយនេះហាត់ប្រាណ
Yeah, គេហាត់ប្រាណជិះមានគេរំមានឡើង like គេហាត់ប្រាណ
នៅមុខកន្លែងវិញហ្នឹងទឹករំ
Oh, yeah. Okay.
ពេលល្ងាចតិច
Okay.
នេះឡៃកូនក្មេងជិះម៉ូតូបន្ទុក
Oh, okay. I came all the way to Kampot to eat chak dam.
អូតកាត់ក្តាមឆ្នាំលោកគ្រូ
Yeah,
ណា
yeah,
ថ្មី
cat.
ថ្មីគេលើកទឹកមក
Yeah.
បាទ
Uh-huh.
ហើយកាត់ស្មានហ្នឹងក្បាលនេះស្អាតគឺភាពស្អាតហើយ
Yeah.
ញ៉ាំនិយាយនោះខាងបាយគេចុះដាក់ទឹកហើយមុខថ្ងៃលើកទៀត
Yeah. I know. But Chennai, right? Like-
only 30 minutes
What you could go with this one?
yeah
Oh, okay.
every day
Okay. Then tomorrow I probably call you. Let me, freshen up real quick. All the bone, you know.
បាទ
Let me relax a little bit. Inside, yeah, I'll call you for sure. Don't know what time you want to go if you have chance. What's the best time to go?
tomorrow in the whole day tomorrow I saw brother whole day
No, I'm talking about for tomorrow. Mong Man is a good time.
maybe only 9 o'clock
9 in the morning.
yeah
Okay.
it's okay for me up to you brother
Okay. Okay.
this is in the កំពង់ផែ
Oh, Kapong Pai.
កំពង់ផែឡើងគ្រឿងសមុទ្រនេះ
Oh.
maybe so in the morning
Oh,
the
in the morning, a lot of
now
people.
I want to run I want to grab in the big here
Yeah.
so in the morning maybe so only 5 and 4 o'clock in the morning
Yeah.
so the people and come back to buy in the crab the fish
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Oh, កន្លែងគេទិញដូរ
បាទ
ដូរ
បោះដុំនេះ
Yeah, yeah.
បាទអានេះគេទៅនេសាទផ្ទាល់ហើយគេត្រឡប់មកវិញ
Yeah.
ទៅលក់នឹង
Yeah, okay.
បាទ
Okay.
ឥឡូវបងចាំបណ្ណាទៅមើល47អត់47
ឆ្ងាយហ៎
ចំនោះយើងទៅត្រង់ហ្នឹងទៅដល់រៀងឆ្ងាយដែរប្រហែលជា3គីឡូពីហ្នឹងទៅទៀត
Oh, okay.
បើជារោនមើលមាត់ទន្លេ
Yeah, just drive around. បើកដល់លេង
មកហើយសម្រាប់ខាង
Yeah. បើកតាណាទៅ Yeah, just drive around. I want to see the city.
Yeah.
Like, go everywhere.
maybe so go back around in the story
Yeah, yeah.
this is the people in the boat
Yeah. Yeah.
And farm in the south here.
Okay. Okay.
Nó ngày cái stop tắc kia, stop tắc nó bỏ là phải là đang lắng thì đang chụp bỏ lại.
Yeah. Yeah, I see this on YouTube too, like umbrella.
Ba.
Now it's my turn to do YouTube on it. Yeah, this place is nice. It's out there. You can see the mountain and everything. What first? All right, guys, I'm at the salt field in Kampot. Bờ trơn. There's a lot of umbrella. Không xem umbrella nữa.
Ba, ta đầm bờ.
Wow. This is YouTube, huh? YouTube Phnom Penh.
Tao nào với con này, tao một bánh ấy. Đậu à. This is the restaurant.
Oh, this is a restaurant?
Yeah.
Okay. Lấy nhắm bái ngay lại để sẽ tận hình.
This is in the coffee.
Yeah. This is cái đầm bờ, right?
Ba ta. Cái đầm bờ. Đó đấy, phải the ball mới cái đầm bờ.
Yeah.
Đây thô mà là một man rồi hecta thôi.
Yeah. Bray. Oh no, not yet.
No.
Còn này. Đợt chất tấu, think about it.
This is from Pol Pot.
Pol Pot.
Yeah. Happy and happy New Year.
New Year?
New Year maybe later.
Yeah.
Close enough.
Yeah, George Town. Yeah.
Man time vẫn lục bay nữa không? Tại bọn tôi.
Oh.
This is from the store.
Yeah. The salt.
This is in the I saw you in the restaurant and the bar and the beer.
Okay. Okay. Oh, down there, we're here.
Yes, maybe
Okay.
the restaurant. Yes, maybe so. This is in the restaurant and the bar.
Yeah.
The bar and beer.
Okay.
So before having the lady, this
Oh, okay.
one. You open the bar không? This one.
Oh, it's like một tầm chênh màu vĩnh rồi.
Ta nó như pot nó trông.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But we got restaurant.
Yeah, okay.
Same.
Yeah.
This and the lady, the same. Good
Yeah.
restaurant.
Yeah.
Very good. Đây là chân cái lái bọc cây này đây.
Này nè.
Việt Nam cái lái nó thằng nó là chân cái lái bọc cây như thế là
Yeah.
này đây.
Yeah, yeah.
This is in the massage. This is in the cafe.
Yeah. No, I don't drink coffee.
Yeah.
Coffee, I drink it, like, give me a headache.
Rồi còn trong nhà mấy? Trong nhà mà ha sau này thì đi.
Đồ chim mô tô chạy xua mình. À nó không đó. Mình quay bay như bốt mình.
Tao
Yeah, it's hot.
rất là tao bòn.
Oh, okay, I see it, yeah. Bắt lao lo lấy rồi.
Thêm một cái nữa.
Yeah, chật.
Tomato đấy tại.
Yeah, I see it. One day I'm gonna go up there and pick it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want to see what that side, on that side there, Kang Nung. What they have on that side. No, of the place. Yeah, go around here, yeah, around there. Ủa, tối mươi món một tô nữa hả?
1,2,000 ជាងមក
Oh, 2
បាទអាពណ៌សនេះថាជា 3,000 ជាង
Yeah,
វាមានតាមតម្លៃមានតាមសេរីវា
yeah.
This is in the Sasamaki
Yeah.
yeah.
Store.
big នេះគេហៅផ្សារកំពត
អូអូខេផ្សារកពោត
បាទកំពតផ្សារនោះមួយធំជាងគេ
អូអូខេ
បាទក្នុងខេត្តកំពត
ចឹងនេះសៀមជុំវិញផ្សារហ្នឹង
បាទទៅមើលផ្សារ
អូអូខេនេះជ័យជាងនេះមួយម៉ាន1000នឹងយក2ចុះនំនេះលក់មិន1000ហើយទិញយកជ័យជាង2និងនំ2ចឹងបាទជា2ដែរទីអង្គនឹងសំដូនអត់ guys គេ go enjoy more food Yeah, no, port as we move out main, land so traffic. Yeah. No, no, pani o room tàu na tàu cao đấy. Traffic khang bay rồi, move out bay. No, đi bao tao xuống rồi. I mean, you want to, you can take me back to the hotel.
Yes.
Yeah. Because there's enough for me today.
Yeah.
Chăm ai chăm kết cú tiền.
Okay.
I want to go and ngồi tập tình tụi sân.
Ba không ba.
Ồ,នេះlại bọt sầm mót đấy. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. They know Thailand. They know Thailand walking street. Yeah, this place is nice. Oh, chẳng dùng lắm miếng cái lụa đấy này nè. Oh, okay.
ញ៉ាំអីសុបាយហ៎
Yeah. បងម្នាក់វិញក៏មិញហ្មង
អត់ដឹងទៅណា
Yeah.
ស្ពានចាស់អានោះស្ពានចាស់នោះស្ពានថ្មី
Yeah. Oh, okay.
ស្ពាននេះយូរមកហើយ
Yeah. ចឹងពេលព្រឹកឡើងយើងចង់ហូប boy មកម្ដុំនេះហ៎
បាទនេះនៅ6ដរ៉េងបានហ្នឹងខ្ញុំខៀវ
Oh, okay.
បាទនេះតែមាន5ផង
Okay.
នេះមកគេបើ24ម៉ោងបង
Oh, okay.
នេះកន្លែងដែលយើងញ៉ាំគុយទាវញ៉ាំបាយព្រលឹមឡើង
Oh, កន្លែងនេះហ៎
នេះ
Oh, okay.
បាទ
Yeah, មែន the bus កន្លែងឡានគេដាក់ចុះកន្លែងនេះមែន
បាទបាទ
Yeah.
ហើយផ្លូវនេះក៏ទៅតែលបង
Yeah, yeah, the hotel. Yeah. មើលគេដើរនាំគ្នាដើរទាំងអស់គ្នាទៅ
បាទ
Everybody walk. Đó.